Hi, my name is Nala, and I just want to give a quick shout out to Kevin Ellis. Kevin has helped me attain my income goals during a tough stretch when I was losing money daily. I hate to admit it, but I was pretty bad at marketing online before he came along. One thing about Kevin is that he maintains a positive attitude and shows great patience while working with me and others on the team to build a successful online business. He always makes himself available and returns phone calls and emails on a timely basis. I recently joined this new program with Kevin and I was able to go from $50 my first month to $800 my third month, which was December 2012. It is now the second week in February 2013, and so far I have surpassed my January earnings. So things are really looking up, and I owe it all to Kevin. Thanks, Kevin, for being there for me, and congratulations on your new Lexus ES 350. I love that color.